Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The minimum falling path sum problem, LeetCode 931, is a classic dynamic programming problem. The objective is to find the minimum sum of a falling path in a given 2D array, matrix, where you can only move to adjacent cells in the row directly below. Problem statement. Given an n×n integer matrix, return the minimum sum of any falling path through matrix. A falling path starts at any element in the first row and chooses one element from each row. The next row's choice must be from a column that is directly below or diagonally adjacent to the current column. Example. Input *, output *, explanation *. The falling path with the minimum sum is 1-4-8, the sum is 1 plus 4 plus 8 equals 13. Approach. To solve this problem, we can use dynamic programming. The idea is to modify the input matrix itself to store the minimum falling path sum up to each cell. Start from the second last row of the matrix and iterate upwards. 2 For each cell, calculate the minimum path sum considering the 3 possible cells that can be reached in the row below, directly below, bottom left diagonal, and bottom right diagonal. 3 Update the current cell with the minimum path sum. 4 The answer will be the minimum value in the first row after processing all rows. Python code example. Here is a Python implementation of the described approach. Explanation of the code. We define the function min_falling_path_sum that takes a matrix as input. We iterate from the second last row to the first row, using range, n, 2, -1, -1. For each cell, row, col, we compute the minimum path sum from its possible next positions below it. We update the current cell, row, col, to include the minimum path sum. Finally, we return the minimum value from the first row of the modified matrix, which represents the minimum falling path sum. Complexity analysis. Time complexity *O, n², where n is the number of rows, or columns, in the matrix. We visit each cell once. Space complexity *O, 1, as we are modifying the matrix in place and not using any additional data structures. Conclusion. The minimum falling path sum problem illustrates the power of dynamic programming in reducing the complexity of problems that involve overlapping subproblems. By modifying the matrix in place, we achieve an efficient and elegant solution.